Presenting to you the officials for this match. First referee, Josie Del Rosario, international candidate. Our second referee, Lumer Pajarillo, national referee. Starting lineup for Mane and Tail Lady Stallions. Number 4, Rosan Fajardo. Number 10, Michelle Tatui. Number 6, Kaylee Mans. Number 16, Christy Jacob. Number 1, Esme Acuna. Number 11, Lizette Mabaya. Libero, Shisa Ebrida. And now, head coach, Francis Vicente. And now, the starting lineup for Signal HD Spikers. Number 6, Lindsay Stalzer. Number 16, Abigail Baraka. Number 1, Sherry May Vivas. Number 10, Sarah Julie Emmerman. Number 15, Honey Royce Tobino. Number 9, Charisse Verdon Ancheta. Libero, Angelique Ronella. Head coach, Sammy Acailar.
And there you have it, folks, ang ating mga bida for this PSL Wednesday. Mane and Tail Lady Stallions in blue, Signal HD Spikers in red. And I will just enumerate them once more for the Signal, or for the Mane and Tail Lady Stallions. It's Acuna, Nebrida, Fajardo, Mabayad, the Twin, and their imports, Kaylee Mans and Christy Jacob. Para naman po sa Signal HD Spikers, it's Ancheta, Joniela, Vivas, Tobino Braca, and their imports, Sarah Amerman and Lindsay Stalzer. Ito na.
Eto na.
About to start, Coach Sammy Acailar, of course, for the Signal HD Spikers, and Coach Francis Vicente para naman po sa Mane and Tail. Chicky Reyes here with Chicky Pablo. And completing our trio, it's EJ Gamboa. Action has started. Jaco sending the message cross-court.
That is a good hit. Cross-court hit by Jaco, who is formerly a swimmer.
Oh.
Oh.
So yung arms niyan obviously from
siguro
swimming
butterfly
and from sa lapad ng ano, no? Tsaka sa lakas ng palo. 1-0. First point of Mane and Tail dito po sa PSL Grand Prix 2014. The setup again. The Lady Stallions diving for that ball, but that point will go to Signal HD Spikers. Di pinalat si Lilette Mabayad in that dive.
So far, no, even if you can see that even if Mane and Tail made an error in that, go na go pa rin silang lahat.
Yes.
No? Talagang encouraging each other, which is key.
You know, sometimes you need that at the start of the tournament. It's a new team. It's your
Yes.
first game. Sabi mo nga, a week and a half.
Yeah, a
Kasi
week and a half ago
nagkita-kita.
lang.
So, in the absence of training, huhugot ka sa human emotions.
Yes.
Jekyll again. That's 2 straight points. She loves that spot over
She
there.
loves that spot. And the blockers, medyo hindi natin sila nakita at that time.
That's 2 points already for Christy Jekyll. Tabla ho tayo at 2-all. Ancheta. To the back was open for Sarah Amerman. Sama muna natin sa kwentuhan
Sige.
natin. In a few, EJ, you have news for us there at the sides?
Yes, guys. Coming from a win last game against the RC Colac, Coach Sammy of the Signal HE Spikers was so impressed on how his girls played. He said he doesn't have any expectations to see them play that well. Was really a good signal that this, indeed, is a brand new all-for-the-win kind of team. Now, for today's game, Coach Sammy just wants the girls to capitalize on good sets and excellent receptions. More than that, he wants them to have the focus, heart, and the animal instinct. If you guys are wondering what this animal instinct is, that is to never underestimate your opponent and always be on the lookout for the kill. Now, let's see if the Signal HE Spikers will still continue to surprise Coach Sammy. Guys, back to you.
Ganda nung na-report ni EJ. Playing with words, animal instinct. They're going up against the Lady Stallions. And tungkol naman sa game plan ng Signal. Maraming salamat, EJ. It's high definition. Ang kanilang atake.
Yes, and to think, si Ancheta, who is their setter, has been on hiatus for 5 years.
Oh.
Kaya, pero ang ganda ng adjustment niya right away to her hitters.
Our score 6-2 in favor of the HD Spikers. Let's try to listen in dito kay Coach Francis Vicente ng Mainentel.
Not be aggressive enough. You have to keep the person. Use your head. Okay? All the defense out.
Chick, may tanong ako sa iyo.
Yes.
Coach Francis, sa nakuha ko doon, power need not be there all the time.
Yes.
Yung bang mensahe niya?
That's what he's saying because this is really, volleyball is not all power. Volleyball, meron din yung tactic. You can dump the ball over, why don't you? Because if you keep hammering in the ball, baka maubusan ka ng power right away, your energy. You have to know when the hit is needed and when pwede naman makuha yung point through a dink.
Very well said. On deck to serve for Mainentel, Christy Jekyll. They're down by 3. They got a 3-point earlier sa service error ng Signal. Lady Stallions on the attack. Fajardo going to the back. Great dive. A great effort there coming from Stalzer.
That was a good set by Mans. It was just the right height for Fajardo.
And down on the floor is Cherry May Vivas. She picked herself up. Okay naman. You gotta love the action here, no? Yung diving ng mga ladies natin.
Yeah, and Vivas din. Kakahugot lang ni Coach Sammy yan. Also in a hiatus for a while.
So, it probably it did them well. Yung pagpapahinga nila.
Oo.
3 ball by Signal. Mainentel. Chance to score again. Acuna going wide on that shot.
You know why? Because her shoulders were squared towards that direction. Yung angle niya kalabas ng court. Kaya dapat when you go up for a hit, make sure your shoulders are squared towards the court.
Fajardo. Oh, smart move there from Tobino. 3 ball. Chance for Signal to score again. Not really the best set that Signal wants. Fajardo going to the back. Great dive. Signal on the attack. Oh, we're seeing great rally here. Oh! Miscommunication between Mans and Acuna. And because of that net violation, we will go to our first technical timeout of the first set. Signal up 8-4. We'll be right back.
The first and best fruit-flavored beer of San Miguel with the zest of...
Again, familiarity. They just met a week and a half ago. They have to get used to each other. That last with Hesime Acuna cost them a point.
Yes, and it really upset Katie Mans that time because the second ball belongs to the tosser. So Acuna had no business being there.
That's right. And Sarah Amerman targeting an open zone 6 or zone 5 rather for the 9th point of signal.
Yeah, the libero, number 2 of Mane and Tail, Nebrida, who's a former last from UE, has to sweep the back row. That's her job, eh?
Yung likod, yung 5, 6,
sweeper
and 1,
siya dyan,
the 3
yes.
zones.
Oo.
Still on deck to serve, Sarah Amerman. Signal still up 10-4.
Good save there by Jacob.
Oh yes, good save indeed as Fajardo. Alam mo, in that particular action, they were trying to figure out who will go for the second ball.
Yeah, but Mance was supposed to go for that second ball. Apparently, he got stuck somewhere in the attack zone.
Hezime Acuna on deck to serve for a Mane and Tail. It's 5 serving 10. Ancheta to Tobino.
Good save there by Signal.
On the attack, Lady Stallions, Fajardo going to zone 1, and that's back-to-back points for Fajardo.
Yes, I think that's the game plan, Coach Francis, because Ancheta is not really a tall setter. So when you block, hindi siya masyadong mataas. See? You see the hands hardly reached over the net. So I think that's going to be the game plan. Target zone 1 because your blockers aren't that tall.
And so far, so good.
So far, so good.
2 straight plays. Ito pong si Rosanne Fajardo going to that zone 1. Acuna still serving for Mane and Tail. Ancheta. Oh, great hit, but great or better net defense coming from the Lady Stallions. Nahirapan doon si Lindsay Stalzer.
Yeah, she thought it went out, but it landed on the line. And you know, itong si Hezime Acuna, she keeps serving the ball, hitting the net, no? For the volleyball fans who don't know the term, it's called left serve. She keeps doing that. Ayan, buti medyo umangat na kasi delikado if, you know, that happens all the time.
Ito, delikado. Galitin si Lindsay Stalzer.
Babawi siya.
She knew that she was blocked earlier, but this time around she found an open zone 5 once more. Another look here from the back.
Wow, what a set. Love that set. Tapos, linihis niya from the blockers. Tumaas kasi yung blockers and then she saw them, saw that spot.
Open na open. Oh, Mitch the Twin.
Nice hit by Mitch the Twin. She loved that hit as well.
You gotta love the body language of the
Yeah.
Twin after hitting that spike, pointing to zone 6. One more look here.
Nice. Single blocker only for Mitch the Twin.
May turo pa yan.
Oh.
11-8 signal still up by 3. Oh, great dig. However, too strong was the dig of Nebrida.
Ang ganda ng double play nila doon ng Signal, and Stalzer was able to bring in the point for Signal that time.
It's 12 serving 8 on deck to serve is Ancheta. Charis Vernon Ancheta. Ang kanilang setter. Rotation violation.
Yes, rotation violation. Because you can't switch until the ball goes over the net.
That's right.
I think some kasi, they think na basta
Upon
na-release
contact.
lang, na-release yung ball when you serve, pwede ka na mag-switch. But it's actually when it goes over the net.
Now, every error or violation that you commit, that's a point for the
Yes.
opposite side. Oh, smart move coming from Kaylee Mans.
Oo, with strength as well in that dump.
So it's 9 serving 13 on deck to serve is Rosanne Fajardo of the Lady Stallions. It's up. Ancheta was set. That was a quick one. Jacob off the defenders, and ang lakas nun. A lot of power on that hit.
Yeah, ang lakas ng right arm ni Jacob. Parang just, give me the ball.
Another look here, partner.
Look at that.
That's a too strong a hit.
Saka you know, yung take-off niya, textbook, meron siyang arm swing and then she reaches back to have that power for the hit.
Kumbaga pwedeng pang instructional video.
Oo, pwede.
Okay, Jacob. Once more, Jacob. This time around, she overcooked it. They're asking for a check ball. I think nobody touched that ball.
Yeah, nobody touched it. So it was a little bit high.
Signal up by 4, 14-10. Lindsay Stalzer. Last game, naka 15 points po yan. On deck to serve for the HD Spikers. They go to Jacob. Oh, great dig there from Jonella. Stalzer again. Jacob once more. She loves that spot.
Oh, yeah, she does. You know, Signal should start adjusting that whenever Jacob hits that ball or forms up to hit that ball, it's bound to go that direction.
In between zones, or nasa zone 5 na yun eh, no? That area.
Yeah.
And
Alam mo, yeah.
napainin si Jonella eh.
Oo nga. Yung blockers din, I think, dapat mag-adjust.
Mitch, siya nag-serve for Main and Tail. And smart move, finding a very open zone.
Yes.
Number 1. Score natin 15-11, Signal up by 4. Let's turn it over to EJ Gamboa.
Thanks, Chicken Chicky. So far in the youth's brand new team is showing what they're made of. Though some first-time jitters are showing. Now with that, Coach Francis reminded them to just relax, shake it off, and enjoy the game. Do it just how they do it during the practices. Defense should also be minded as the middle is always open. Now, on the other hand, as I talked to team captain Kaylee Mads earlier, she was just oozing with positivity. She told me as well that she's more than happy to be part of this team. They listen to each other, inspire, and challenge. And now let's see if this will transpire in today's game. Guys, back to you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, EJ. And after that report, Signal still holding on to a 4-point lead. We go to our second technical timeout. Our score is 16-12. We'll be right back.
If you love boxing, you're gonna love this.
14, the Signal HD Spikers. Sila po ang may kalamangan. On your screen kanina was Lindsay Stalzer. Ngayon naman po sa kabila, Kaylee Mans para sa Lady Stallions. On deck to serve is Cherry May Vivas for the HD Spikers. They're up by 4. Set number 1. Jacob of the deflection.
Yes. Off the arm of Stalzer.
You know what? People are expecting, or Signal is expecting her to linger near the net, but she's showing a variety of attacks. Itong si Jacob can score from the middle, can score from the sides.
O kaya nga, high to smite din, no?
Oh, very versatile.
Oo.
Lady Stallions will go to Fajardo. Fajardo. Oh, Jonella dove for that ball, pero sabi ng ating first referee, it hit the floor already.
Yes. Very close call though. I thought it was a pancake. A good pancake.
Yun ang ano lang dito, no? Sa volleyball, wala kang na-review eh. Unlike sa basketball,
Yes.
you can review. Oh, but that's part of the game.
Yeah.
That's
Part
part
of the
game.
excitement,
Exactly.
diba?
Service error here by Christy Chaco. That's a 3-point for
You know,
the
even
HD
if-
Spikers.
Yeah, even if nag-service error yan, let's expect her na babawi yan bigla.
Oo naman.
Diba?
Delikado pag bumawi si
Oo.
Jacob. On deck, Amerman serving for Signal. 3 ball. Chance for Signal to score again. Oh, the dig is there, but too far for Fajardo to reach for the second ball.
That was a good cross-court hit by Stalzer, and she wants the ball, asking Ancheta to set it to her again.
You know, I'm not used to Honey Royce Tobino not getting a lot of hits, ha?
Yes. You know, it also depends on the first ball. Ang hirap kasi mag-set pagka gitna ka.
Stalzer again. Jacob was there. And Jacob from the back.
Oh, buhay pa.
Buhay. Play continues. Oh,
Nice.
Amerman
Reception
was there. 3 ball. Lady Stallions. Great defense by Stalzer.
Yes, great defense. You know, if Signal can just really have a good first ball, Honey Royce Tobino will be able to get that set that she is aspiring for.
Ano pa nga, no? Hindi pa siya pumapalo. But Signal is still up by 5.
Yes.
Lady Stallions on the attack. Vivas with a dig. Stalzer. Oh, sending that one home. In between Nebrida and Jacob.
The libero in Nebrida has to be more aggressive. Ano
Kailangan.
kaya nga, the libero position gives the smaller athletes a job, so to speak.
You're looking at the down the line. Use the cross. You will spike cross court, not down the line. Kaylee is there. Okay? Don't worry about the zone 1. You worry about the cross court. Okay? Because there's a big hole at the block. Okay? Ikaw ang tumapat. Okay? Look at the ball when it picks. Okay? For example, there's a big hole. You punch in. Okay? With a big hole. Okay, move.
Okay.
For those who are not too familiar with what Coach Francis said,
Moves. But I think they'll be able to adjust even during the game.
let's see the adjustments here. They're down by 6. Signal on the attack now. Tobino with the first hit. Wala pa rin. Fajardo. Blocked by Tobino. Oh! Free ball! Ball is still alive.
It's still alive.
You gotta give A for effort dito sa Lady Stallions. They're not giving up.
Yes.
Chance here for Mane and Tail to score. Great rally we're seeing. Stalzer. Oh, Fajardo diving.
Yeah,
Pero kinapusla.
Fajardo kasi was revving up for a hit. Kaya umatras na siya eh. Oo. Kaya lang, yung ball medyo nag-deflect sa block and so it landed near the net.
Kumbaga sa baril, nakakasa na si Fajardo.
Oo, nakakasa na siya,
And
ready to
then,
go.
she had to change her approach.
Yes.
22-15. Tobino. Serve for Signal. They're up by 7. Great defense by Stalzer. Fajardo running hit. Signal. Chance to score. Stalzer going to the back. Jacob was there. Fajardo once more. Ancheta will go to Stalzer. Soft touch. That's the 23rd point of Signal.
That's what Coach Francis was saying. It doesn't have to be a hard hit all the time. Look at that. Tingnan niyo lang yung butas. You'll get the point.
Michiko Castañeda will be coming in, replacing Lilet Mabayad.
Mexico, former UP Maroons.
Ani Royce Tobino. Serving for Signal, it's 23, serving 15. Set number 1, HD Spikers with an 8-point lead. Jekyll all the way from the back, and that's great defense coming from Stalzer.
See, Michiko was caught watching the game at that time because dahan-dahan yung bola when it was blocked. So she could have gotten that had she had been, paying more attention. Pero I'm sure ngayon
Minsan
babawi.
magugulat ka no?
Kung minsan din kasi ang ganda ng game
At saka pag someone like Jekyll would be hitting that ball, you're short of expecting it's gonna go in. Not going to be defended.
Right. That's
Free
a
ball.
power.
Ancheta, quickly. And there's a violation here. Double.
Double call.
On Jekyll. That's it for set number 1. Signal will take this one to the score of 25-15. We'll take a quick break. Set number 2 coming right up. From the first to the second technical timeout of set number 1, Mane and Tail was within striking distance. But after the second technical timeout, Signal went to work and they won that set 25-15.
Yeah, and you could notice in the screen ang errors. Yan yung sumisigaw agad Mane and Tail has 9 compared to just 1 of Signal. So they have to minimize. Diyan nga siguro lumalabas na they don't really know each other well yet. Pero, these are fighters, these are players, like I said earlier, so they'll be able to, get back on their feet and play their game because all these are volleyball players naman Kaya, gelling na lang yan, communication na lang.
In fact, in the attack department, ironically,
Yes.
Mane and Tail, the ladies in blue, were up 13-10.
Oo.
So, can they attack? Can they play? Are they good in their offense? I would like to believe so.
Yes. It just proves na may metal sila.
Yes.
Diba? It's really just getting those first balls. Diba? It's really just the sweeper sweeping her zone. Yan yung mga importante. It's about the blockers, making sure no gaps in the block.
Yun yung gap, closing the gap. And it showed in the first set, whether gaps sa net, gaps sa space, gaps sa zones, medyo madami-dami for Mane and Tail.
Yes.
Second set has started. Nag-serve for Mane and Tail was Fajardo. Ball is still alive. Signal on the attack now. At the net, great net defense by Mane and Tail. Amerman will score the first point for Signal in set 2.
That was a nice down-the-line hit by Amerman, whose parents are, the mom is 5'11" or 5'10", and the dad is 6'9".
Dami mo kalumba.
Diba?
Daming baon ba?
Yes, research.
So 5'10" and
6'9".
put it together, anong height ni Amerman?
6'2", but we can say she's 6'3" now.
Dahil may sapatos mo.
Oo, may takong sapatos.
Yun. 1-0 in favor of Signal. On deck to serve is Abby Praca for the HD Spikers.
Abby Praca, who did well also in the first game.
Yun yung mga pupuntahan. May local support eh.
You know,
Stalzer.
there was a joust on the net earlier between Kaylee Mans and Amerman, who happen to be good friends off the court. You know how you can win a joust?
How? Yung ganong hawakan ng bola?
Oh, sa net. You let your opponent do the pushing so you could stay in the air longer. Tapos, pag pababa na siya, then push it over to her side.
So let her work first
Yeah.
and then react at the end.
Yes.
Tobino, that was low.
That was a little bit low.
And Mane and Tail will take a 1-point lead, 2-1. Another look here.
Oh, halos hindi pa umakyat ng net eh. Ng plane, yung tape ng
Yung
net.
tape, di ba, nasa
Yeah.
ilalim eh. And Honey Royce knew that. Napailing na lang siya doon. Mitch the Twin. Nag-serve for Mane and Tail. Oh! So,
There was a miscommunication there by Signal.
Ancheta, Tobino, and Amerman looked at each other and said,
Whose ball was that?
oh, it happens to the best of them.
Oh, you know, ironically, no, Mitch the Twin is serving, serving towards the former team.
Oh,
Diba?
for team na yan.
Oo.
Amerman asking for a check ball.
Referee
But
says none.
wala. Sabi ng ating first referee was out.
Yes.
So, this is the biggest lead for Mane and Tail sa larong ito. In fact, halos hindi na nakuha yung lead dun sa ating first set.
Yes. Oh, you know what happened there? Pumorma kasi si Stalzer na she was gonna get it, and then at the last minute she said, get! So, wala na sa position si Janela.
Napatingin na lang si Janela.
Oo. So,
And
sabi,
you're right. If you commit,
go
get it.
na. Oo, kahit na off position ka na, you committed, do it na.
So 5-1, Mane and Tail up by 4, Amerman. Parang nabuhayan dito itong Lady Stallions. Konya with a smart move there.
Buhay na si Mane and Tail. That's good, diba? As expected, we knew this was gonna be a good game.
Sabi nga ni EJ kanina, kailangan mabuhay ang animal instincts ng Signal. Because the Lady Stallions, you cannot take them lightly.
There was no blocker during that last play. Hinabol ni Honey Royce Tobino yung hitter.
Malaluan will take the place of Honey Royce muna.
Yes.
As Michelle the Twin will still be serving for Mane and Tail. Amerman at the net. Great defense coming from Kaylee Mans. However, it went out, so that point will go to Signal. Kita ni Mans. Umiti na lang. But she was there.
She was there.
Here we go, 2 serving 6. They go to Jacob. Jacob, too much power for Stalzer to handle.
You know, if Jekyll is in front, the blockers of Signal have to step it up. Kasi malakas eh. So pag nakalusot yan, ang hirap i-receive.
Kita mo nga si Stalzer, gumulong na dito. So on deck to serve is Kaylee Mans for Mane and Tail. Amerman. Great net defense by the Lady Stallions. Amerman once more. Mans. Ball is still alive. Stalzer. I don't think that went beyond the tape.
I don't think it went beyond the tape either.
So first technical timeout of set number 2. Mapupunta ang Kalamangan sa Mane and Tail. It's 8-2. We'll be right back.
at roughly 100 competitors this year. Last year we were at around 50. And we have 4 divisions. We have Malahini short and longboard, and then the open long and short board. And this year we've got...
We got a good crowd here at the Cuneta Astrodome dito po sa kahabaan ng Roas Boulevard sa may Pasay City. Cuneta Astrodome po tayo. Pangalawang araw ng ating PSL Grand Prix 2014. Second conference of the second season. 8-2, main and tail up by 7.
Wow, you know, the rhythm is now with main and tail. The momentum and rhythm. Balik si Tobino.
Iba na yung galaw nila, no? Yung body language.
Yes.
Look at that attack.
Kasi even our local players, they're the ones hammering it in, you know, bringing in the points.
Now, ito, bringing in the report. Manning the sides. EJ Gamboa, again, what do you have there?
Release that fear. This is the G's of the huddle before the Stallions get into the battle in this second round. And Miss Chicky, you were right earlier when you said nangangapapa sila that they don't know each other's move yet. And apart from that, they're also experimenting and discovering each other's strengths and weaknesses. Now that they're responding to that release that fear instruction of Coach Francis, they were also told to be aggressive and they must not aim to perfect themselves. Instead, they must own their spots and positions as their mental lapses cause errors, which is the reason why Signal had a big lead last set. Now, guys, back to you.
Release the fear.
Release the fear.
Diba? Because if you're holding back, thank you very much, EJ. If you're holding back, if you're trying to figure it out all by yourself, then wala kayong mararating. Dito so far, ang narating ng main and tail, they are up here 10-4.
Well, tsaka because this is a team sport so it's okay that you wanna perfect your moves as an individual player, but we always have to remember that you have to think of the team.
Yes.
So you less perfection on yourself, but more on team effort.
Team effort indeed. Signal, pinatunayan nila yan nung kanilang unang laro. Stalzer! That was too much.
Ang ganda ng palo ni Stalzer. You know, if you notice our reinforcement, let's look at this replay.
It deserves a second look.
Yes, look at how she takes off. The arm swing, the lift, and the drawback of the right arm before she hit it. Because if you have a full swing when you go up into the air, the higher your jump.
It's 5 serving 10. Signal down by 5. Jacob going to the back. But this time around,
medyo kulang sa snap. She was right there, pero yeah.
For it to go down, for the ball to go down.
Yes.
On deck to serve, that's number 10, Sarah Amerman. Service error.
Si Sarah Amerman used to be a setter and then a transfer siya to a spiker. She grew up in the volleyball court, literally, because her parents met in a volleyball competition.
Wow.
Yep. So ever since then, they've been playing and playing. So while she was growing up, playing and playing. All 8 siblings are playing volleyball.
Eh talagang huhusay yan.
Oh.
Pero ito, Jacob, napakahusay even from the back. So even if Signal, if they were able to string up a couple of points, may panagot naman dito. Itong kupunat ng main and tail. 12-6 they're up and Jekyll on deck to serve.
Si Jekyll, even if she's in the back line, yung defense zone, you give her the ball, ang tirik pa rin nung hit niya.
Again, yung kanilang preparation, going up for the hit.
Yes.
Stalzer. Mans will go to Jekyll. Soft touch there. Stalzer once more. Soft touch also. Castañeda. Medyo wide, but ball is still alive. Quick one for Tobino. At alam na ni Coach Francis
Sinabi na niya
He was shouting.
Oo
Narinig mo rin yun kay Coach Francis, ano?
Tingnan natin, ang ganda nito. Perfect height. Linihis pa ni Honey Royce.
You know, when Ancheta was preparing for that toss, I heard Coach Francis shouting already.
Yes. Kasi pag talaga namang batikan ka sa volleyball, you know the movements. Yung pag-angat ng hand, where the ball's gonna go.
Quick dig there from Jacob. Too low for Castañeda. So that will be a point for Signal. They're 8th.
They're slowly catching up.
And the captain, Ani Royce Tubino on deck to serve. Para dito sa Signal HD Spikers. Remember, in the opening day, they won in straight sets kontra sa RC Cola Philippine Air Force Raiders. Jacob finding the corner of Zone 1.
You know, it takes a lot of experience to be able to target Zone 1 because it's a hard zone to put the ball in.
Pero parang ang dali lang ng volleyball kay...
Parang tumitingin lang siya sa babutos dito and then puts it right there.
You're right. It's just finding the gaps in midair. 13-8. Mainentil up. Stalzer again skying high for that hit. But the thing is, Chicky,
Yes.
Signal cannot keep on exchanging points with Mainentil. Mainentil, they were able to find their groove. Tama ba?
Yes.
Kasi kung palitan ka ng palitan, di mananatili lang sa apat yan.
Tsaka alam mo, dapat mas, oh, what a left serve by Ancheta. Dapat mas well-distributed pa yung, yung sets ni Ancheta.
Okay.
Or like, give more to Praca because she has a very good hand for a quick. That's her forte.
So, give touches to the other players,
yes.
Give their share of hits.
Yes.
Okay, Ancheta, siya pa rin nag-serve. Kanina yung net ang naging alay niya. Net defense by Signal was there, but ball is still alive. 13-10. Lady Stallions up by 3. Free ball. Hala ko, regalo na yon.
Oh.
Stalzer defended well at the net.
Wow. Paying attention to Amerman that time. Very good.
Mans will set. Jacob will hit from the back.
What a hit by Jacob.
What a take by Amerman.
Yes.
Oh, great dive.
What a game we're having.
Castañeda. Diaz was there. Ancheta. These ladies are really good both in offense and defense.
Yes.
Oh, nanaig ang net defense dito ng Signal courtesy of Praca.
Si Praca, loves being at the net, she said. Gustong-gusto niya mag-block, gusto niya ang quick.
Another look here at what Praca did.
There you go. Payong pa no? Talagang forced it down.
Slow mo no? Kita mo may timing ni Praca. 13-11. Or rather, 11 serving 13.
You know, si Ancheta, she said na she thought after college, wala nang career for volleyball. So she went into, work mode na siya until she got a call from Coach Sammy saying, hey, why don't you try out for Signal? And so when she did, para siyang sobrang grateful. That's why even now, she goes the extra mile. Every morning, she does cardio, she jogs to get back in shape.
Sarap gawa ng docu, no? Yung mga ganyang mananalo natin. As Stalzer, the timing is there. The power is also there.
Yes, and the set was perfect.
It's 12 serving 14. Signal down by 2. And on deck to service, Lindsay Stalzer. Just a 2-point lead for the Lady Stallions. Mans. And the hit by Fajardo will not yield any point. It's out, so the point will go to Signal.
You know, if you notice, every time Signal creates a point, lagi silang nagha-high five, diba? And even if hindi sila nagpo-point, nag-air, nagha-high five sila. Because I was told by Stalzer that has been instilled in the training in the US.
No.
That's what you concentrate on that because positive energy is better than negative energy.
Good vibes, ika nga.
Yes.
It's a very nice observation, Chicky. But meantime, itong observation natin, nabuhay dito ang Mainentil sa second set. They're still up. 15-13. Quite close. Pero even if lamang sila ang Signal HD Spikers, ingat. Ingat dapat dito ang Lady Stallions. Diaz. Ancheta in that order. Stalzer. That win. And great net defense from Amerman and Praca.
You know, I must say that Nori Jane Diaz is doing a good job as a libero considering that she's an open hitter.
Hindi naman talaga libero yan eh.
Yeah.
Kasi na-cover ko yung collegiate days niya. 15-14. Jacob soft touch. Chance for Signal to tie. Amerman. Back to Mainentil. Oh, great
Wow, good
dive.
save.
Great dive coming from Amerman. However, the real estate wasn't big enough. We go to our second technical timeout on set number 2. Mane and Tail up 16-14. Whether in front or in the back row, she loves going to the back and the accuracy is really high.
Yes, definitely. Not just because of her height, but she's got the skill.
Pakinggan natin, Coach Sammy.
Opener nila di ba? So ang gagawin mo, nagbablock ka sa quick, tingnan mo kung nanda sa likod, block ka ulit. Okay na, anyway, pag lumusot sa block, dapat depende sa likod. Okay? So never mind. Okay. No pressure.
Coach Sammy or Coach Sinfronio. Kakailar, kalmado pa, no?
Oh, kalmado. Maybe it's also because he was a former national player. Kaya alam niya how it feels to be in the court.
We have a good crowd here. Of course, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Tieng of Solar Entertainment. Wow, going here and
Good afternoon.
watching live dito sa ating PSL. Good afternoon po, Mr. and Mrs. Tieng. And I think that smile on the smiles on their faces, yun yung gandang aksyon eh.
Oh, tsaka si Mrs. Tian, parang model sa commercial.
At mapapangiti ka sa PSL. Pag tinanong mo yan kay Nomar, sasabihin niya, bakit kanyo? Dahil ito, ang volleyball. Stalzer, there's a donut. There was a donut there.
Yes, and that was a quick hulog by Stalzer. Hulog na, pero mabilis.
19-17. Up to now, I am at awe how quickly they can decide in mid-air where to put that ball.
That's right.
Tobino, nagdidikit na ang kilay. Delikado pag ganyan na ang itsura ni Honey Royce. She means
serious?
business.
Yes.
Stalzer. Dito was there. Mans will go to Jacob. Jacob again! At napahampas sa sahig itong si Amerman.
Yeah, that was what Coach Sammy was saying kanina. If the if the set of the setter of Mane and Tail is papunta sa backline, go up and try to block it because Jacob will surely hit that ball.
Kumbaga, alam na niya eh. Diba? Alam niya na saan pupunta yung bolang yan.
Yes.
2017. Hezi May Acuña on deck to serve for the Lady Stallions. Amante sila ng tatlo. Ancheta will go to Stalzer. Stalzer! At napangiti na lang si Acuña. She knew it was going her way.
You know, si Stalzer, she reads her blockers eh. Kaya in mid-air, linilihis niya yung kamay niya eh, and finds that spot.
18 serving 20. Ancheta magsaserve for the HD Spikers.
You know, I must say, when I trained in the US before, you know what they concentrated on? The jumps.
Talaga?
Yeah, the jumps. Ang dami-daming drills on jumping drills. Kaya ako, even if I'm 5 plus, diba?
Ano yung plus na yun?
5'5"?
Malawak yan, malawak yan.
Nakaka 17 inches off the ground ako,
More on your jumping ability in the field. Pakinggan natin itong Mane and Tail timeout. So we're trying to get the audio for Coach Francis. But still, Mane and Tail partner up by 1. You were mentioning earlier, yun nga, tama ka, no? I was looking at the hops of the imports, the reinforcements versus the locals. Our locals can jump, but the reinforcements, they have this art in jumping. Parang may siyensya.
You know why? Kasi sila, they hop, and their last foot is just 1 foot, and then they take off.
So yung strengthening ng legs, ano?
Yes, and they have the momentum. But most of us here in the locals, what we do is when we approach a hit, we step 1, 2, and then we put our feet together before we jump. That's why nasi-stop yung momentum.
Nawawala yung naipon. Ito si Stalzer. That was a good jump there, but again, yung kanyang pagkakapalo, medyo malayo-layo, outside for signals. That's 3-point here for Mane and Tail. Esperita on deck to serve for Mane and Tail. It's 21 serving 19. Also a setter for the Lady Stallions. Ancheta will go to Stalzer. Vivas off the deflection, and that's a point for Signal.
And to think she had 2 blockers, it was very smart of her to go for an off-the-block.
Pag nagtulong to si Diaz tsaka si Dimas, magiging Dimas. Pwede, di ba? Sorry, I just had to inject
That
a
is
little
such
bit
a
of
good one.
a little bit of humor. 1-point lead for Mane and Tail, the twin. Oh, ganda naman ang pagkakapalo ni Mitch. Nakatulong in deflection.
Nakatulong yung deflection, but Ancheta was there eh. She was gonna go get the ball, kaya na, well, things happen. Ang
Ayun,
slow nga ng bola eh.
Nagintayan sila. That was a big donut there.
Yeah.
On deck to serve is Mabayad for Mane and Tail. They're up by 2, 22-20. Amerman. The timing is there, but the defense is also there for Mane and Tail. Jacob. Ancheta will go to Amerman once more, and final Amer time here.
It's Amer time.
Diba?
And she liked that hit, ha?
Pero sasayo itong katawan. 22-21. Mamaya, baka makunan ka ng video dyan. 22-21, Mane and Tail up by 1. They're hanging on to that lead, Chicky.
Yes. Sabi nga ni Coach Sammy kanina, cool lang tayo, cool lang. No
Steady
pressure.
lang. Release the fear.
Release the fear.
Sa kabila pala yun, sa Mane and Tail. And they are releasing that fear, and together with that fear, yung mga timely hits ng Lady Stallions. They're up 24-21.
Jekyll with that hit, and it went in between the blocks. You know,
Braca couldn't do anything.
Couldn't do anything.
Mitch on deck to serve. Ancheta will go to Amerman. Amerman will go to the back. And that's an open zone 1 as Espelita already moved forward to zone 2.
Yes. And you know, ang ganda naman where the ball landed. It was at the corner. So hard to get that because you'd think it's outside.
Alam mo, bago pa ni Stalzer yun, that was Stalzer if I'm not mistaken, sinilip niya muna eh. One quick look where the ball will land. 23-22, yan pala yung score. I stand corrected. Mane and Tail still up by 1.
It's the other one, the substitute. So it's a setter who will serve. It's a short serve. Okay? Make sure that the flight of the ball, you read the flight of the ball. Okay? So the reason I made you come back because I need your receipt. Okay, last 2 points.
Let's turn you over now to EJ Gamboa.
Thanks, guys. Now, what sets the Signal HD Spikers different from the Signal last season, even though they were composed of mostly young members, Coach Sammy said because they were united and more solid. Now, the presence of Amerman and Stalzer brings so much positive vibes to the local players as they were challenged to perform better than their better. Now, with the Signal going bout with the Mane and Tail, Coach Sammy reminded the girls to do greater job on defense. They're covered in specific areas and they must be not smarter. And let's see if the Signal HD Spiker will respond to this and own our second set. Guys, back to you.
Thank you very much, EJ. But how do you solve a problem like Jacob? Diba?
Yeah.
Diaz tried to go for the big, to go for that great first ball. But there's too much power behind the hits of Christy Jacob.
That's right. Too much power and nobody could really block her hits.
This one is
So
tall.
what do you do?
Okay.
Just go
one is
after that
small.
ball.
So quick,
Bahala na.
you here. But no good receive. You spike here, okay? Oh, that's it.
Let's go.
Paano sa atin? Cover lang tayo. Okay? Let's go.
Coach Sammy was saying if there is no good receive, that's what we heard, then give it to the open. Kasi mas higher yung percentage that she'll score pagka open. That's the easiest set to give.
Kumbaga yun yung fallback.
Yes, and then, syempre, cover.
Kasi pag kay Jekyll nang gagaling yung hit, really, it's hard to control that first ball.
Yes.
It's hard to control.
Yes, very.
At the net, I thought that was a violation. Jacob will give set number 2. to Main and Tail to the score of 25-22. We are tied 1 set apiece. We'll take a quick break, folks, set number 3 sa aming pagbabalik.
Main and Tail just became really aggressive in the second set. They did not like losing in the first set, and so they made ways and means, diba, to win the second set.
And the errors we pointed out, Chicky, in the first set, they had 9.
Right.
Dito,
oo.
6 lang.
6 lang.
So, that was a good check on the part of Main and Tail. Now, the question is, of course, you're going up against the team that has come into fruition. Ika nga natin yung kanilang preparations from last conference now. May buwelta to eh. Ang Signal HD Spikers.
Yes. But you know, you have to hand it to Coach Francis Vicente din. Kasi, diba, he was the one who was instrumental for NU to get back or to be in the Final Four sa UAAP for the very first time.
Okay.
So ito, nung bagsak ang Main and Tail sa first set, I knew he was gonna do something to bring them back in the game. And sure enough, they got the second set.
Indeed. And because of this lovely lady here, Christy Jekyll scoring the first point of the third set for Main and Tail.
You know, a moment ago, I saw Coach Sammy telling his team players that when you go up for a block, you can actually move your hands to follow the ball so that you can block it. Hindi lang yung aakit ka, tapos doon na, one position lang.
Parang wiper. Oh, smart move coming from Abby Plaka.
Yeah.
Tinignan niya eh. Gumagalaw yung kanyang mga defenders to the right or to her left. Binagsak niya sa opposite.
Because the defenders, I think, were expecting for a quick.
We are tied at 1. Plaka nag-serve for Signal. Jekyll defended at the net. Tried to dive for that, but ran out of real estate.
See, when you have a blocker to go up against Jekyll, maproprotect mo talaga yung zones mo, yung court mo. And that's volleyball, diba? It's very simple. Just don't let the ball drop on your court.
And nung set number 2, Jekyll was finding all those gaps.
Yes.
Pero ito, nasasaraduhan ng Signal. Give credit to Stalzer, making sure that no gap was seen by Jekyll.
Right.
We are tied at 2. And Kaylee Mans on deck to serve for the Lady Stallions. Regalo ang sinamantala dito ng Lady Stallions.
Oo. Ang buti na lang they didn't really hit that ball because normally pag regalo talagang kakainin mo ng buhay yung bola.
Send it home.
Yeah.
Drive the message across. Yan yun. Main and Tail up by 1, 3-2. Stalzer going to the corner and it's in.
That was a good double play by Signal. Medyo naloko dun ang Main and Tail because our libero thought that it was the first hitter of Signal that was going to go up and get that ball.
We are tied at 3 in set number 3. Acuna. Set wasn't that perfect. Stalzer going to the back again. Jacob going to the back, and zone 6 was open. Chalk up another point for Christy Jekyll. EJ, anong kwento mo sa amin ni Chick?
We've got it. We've got the rhythm. Now let's keep it up. Now these were the words of Captain Kaylee Mans during the huddle as they were all smiles and busy. Now they were able to dance as a team. Coach Francis told the girls to just keep on reading the offensive signal, get good receptions, and keep on working as a team in order for them to nail this set. Guys, back to you.
Maraming salamat, EJ. Natanggal na yung stigma ng set 1.
Oo. Kasi sabi ni EJ, dance with the team down, something like that. And you know, that's exactly what they did before the game. They had this loud music in the locker room and they were chilling.
Nandun ka? Nagsayaw ka ba?
Aba, syempre.
Jacob going to the back, asking for a line ball, pero outside according to our linesman and first referee. So Coach Sammy and her and his Signal HD Spikers up by 1, 5-4. That's the service ace.
Kaylee Mans was already telling her teammates in, but unfortunately, si Fajardo decided na
out. you have to commit eh. Di ba? Sabi mo nga, comes.
Yes.
Hindi naman lahat ng hula would be correct. 2-point lead for Signal. Too much muscle behind the hit.
Too much muscle na talagang blown away dun si Kaylee Mans. She lost her balance when she tried to receive that ball.
So Amerman trying to find her form here in set 3. 5 serving 6. It's Hezime Acuna on deck to serve for Main and Tail. Ancheta going to Amerman, but yung momentum brought her to the net also.
She tried to do something with that set. It was a little bit off from Ancheta.
Katabla po tayo. We are tied at 6. Acuna still serving. 4 attacks already under her name.
You know, both teams, though, you can feel it na they don't want to lose. No?
Pivotal tong third set, ha? Tabla tayo.
Oh!
And Michelle the Twin, every time she wants to drive a point, she'll point it out, literally.
Yeah.
Kung saan lumanding yung bola. So, alam mo na rito ang Tail, 7-6.
Okay din yun, di ba? As a volleyball player, nakakagana.
Tsaka may halong saywar yun. Stalzer. The Twin in the middle. Trying to go for that donut. Amerman. Will try again. Mitch once more. Soft touch. On the other side, soft touch too for Amerman. Jacob from the back.
Oh! It's outside though.
So according to our first referee, that was out. So we are tied at 7.
That was a long rally. Very exciting.
Parang nanggaling sa wala itong si Jacob. All of a sudden, she's up there in the air. Tobino. Overcooked that one. So we'll go to the first technical timeout of set number 3 with Main and Tail hanging on to a slim 1-point lead, 8-7. We'll be right back.
They say all
Pero hindi, pinalo pa rin. Ito na, atake dito ng Lady Stallions. Fajardo off the deflection and they score another point. They're up by 2.
That was a good set by Kaylee Mans. Kasi yung mga sets niya, tinitimpla niya per player. It's not too high. It's, ganun iba-iba. It should be high if it's a smaller spiker. It should be medium if it's, an average height.
Variety, ano?
Oo.
From the back, Stalzer. Hindi niya nakuha yung sa pagitan ng 1 and 2.
Good idea, but it was just a little bit too wide.
So 3-point lead here for Main and Tail coming from the first technical timeout. That's 2 straight points for the ladies in blue. On deck to serve is Castañeda. That's Michiko Castañeda. Signal on the attack. Touched by Amerman. Ball is still alive.
Save!
Jacob with that save. Amerman. Mans at the net. Oh!
Oh my goodness! Nanalo na kayo sa joust and it got wasted. Never mind.
But look at that. Jacob and Nebrida talking to each other and saying, we could have... that was okay. That was okay. That's fine.
At least, diba? Encourage pa rin.
8 serving 10. Signal down by 2. Mans quickly to the back. Ancheta will sit. Amerman will try. And that's great net defense coming from that Twin and Kaylee Mans.
See, that's what's good about having a team. Kita mo, nagkamali yung kakampi mo, binawi niyo naman. Diba? Nabalik sa inyo yung bola.
Kumbaga pag nagkamali ka, sabi ka ng mga coaches,
I got you back.
Tapos na yan. Diba? Don't cry over spilled milk. Ika nga. 11-8, 3-point lead for Italians. Amerman. Nahuhuli na yung mga palo niya ngayon. At the net here, buhay pa rin, Chico. HV Spikers on the move. At ang ganda naman ang depensa ni Datwin at saka ni...
Kita mo si Jacob kanina, when the ball was at her, it was a little bit low, pero nakamali lift pa rin siya and arm swing.
Main and Tail, they're up 12-8. Another look at that great net defense by Jacob and Datwin. Napahampas pa tong si Mitch. Now let's try to listen in on Coach Sammy here. Mane and tail on the attack. Jaco. Mans. Back to Jaco. Mans to that win. And the ball is still alive.
Oh, wow. That was a good save.
And Mitch overcooking that hit over there.
But you know, maganda yung idea niya eh. She put it on the right side of the court. So this time, variation, left side naman.
Variation naman sa kwentuhan namin ni Chicky Pablo. We'll turn you over to EJ Gamboa.
Now that the Stallions can already go head-to-head in defense with the HB Signal Spikers, Coach Sammy wants the girls to be all ears to his instructions and execute the game plan, which is to defend the house better and tougher, because he wants them to get away on a big lead. And more than anybody else in the team, Coach Sammy affirmed his confidence to the girls that they can do it and get this job done on their advantage. Guys, back to you.
Thank you, EJ. So far, they're getting the job done in trying to catch up dito sa Mane and tail because they're still down by 1. I stand corrected. We are now tied at 12.
And you know, talagang ano yun eh, every coach will tell the team, we should have a bigger lead. So, come on, don't panic, take your time, just make sure you have the coverage.
Tabla tayo at 12. On deck to serve is Sarah Amerman.
8 attacks to her name.
Ganun karami na, no? Another service ace here. So the lead goes to Signal 13-12. Coach Francis Vicente, sabi niya, usap muna tayo, baka lumaki pa ito. Let's listen in.
Look at the server. Hindi, nagre-rely lang kayo. Binablock yung view nyo. Here is the 3. Binablock yung view nyo. Okay?
Partner. Ito na. Chance for Signal to tie. Stalzer. Down the line again, and that's good. We are tied at 14.
Stalzer, basta magkamali, no? Pawi siya the next.
And the hops. We pointed that out in set number 1.
Yes.
The way she gathers herself. Pati si, si Jaco.
Yeah, and that's why when they land, after they hit, they fall forward because their momentum is there.
Tobino going to the back. Mans to Jaco. Mans, quick move, smart move by Kaylee Mans.
Kaylee Mans does the setter's magic 3 times already. She scored 3 times when she did those.
Lead goes back to the Lady Stallions, 15-14. Mans on deck to serve. Ancheta will go to Honey Royce. Ball is still alive. Ancheta. Nagkaamuyan dito.
You know, if you're the utility spiker or the opposite spiker, that's your job. If the first ball goes to the setter, then the utility spiker takes the place. She has to get the second ball.
Castañeda acknowledging. She said she was accountable for that miscue. We are tied at 15. Jaco asking for a check ball. Pero hindi pa rin binigay sa kanya. Second technical timeout po ng set number 3 lamang pong Signal, 16-15. Very tight set number 3. Jaco and Mans, the imports going up against Amerman on your screens. And Stalzer. Score po natin 16-15. Signal ang may kalamangan ng isa. Chance for the Lady Stallions to tie, and they do that courtesy of Hezime Acuna.
That was a good quick hit there by Acuna. They should have more of that, no?
Hindi lang yung imports. Minsan nakakagulat pag yung locals ang gumagawa.
Yeah.
Jaco, that's a service error. Kita natin.
I think that was twice already for her.
I think from the time that she hit the ball, we knew it wasn't going over.
Kasi when she threw the ball, it was a little bit low. So when she hit the ball, low na siya talaga.
Not unless may magic yung bowling. Angat pa pataas ulit.
Kaya nga ang sinasabi, when you toss the ball, make sure your arm is shoulder level.
Okay.
When you serve. So that for sure, the ball has nowhere else to go but up. Imbes na mababa. Tapos mag-ano.
Ito yung palo ni Tobino. No? Sige na nga. Fajardo going to the back. Stalzer couldn't handle the hit of Fajardo.
See, whoever said that only the placements can do quick, good hits, powerful hits. Look at that by Fahar.
The locals can also deliver.
Oh, yes.
We are tied at 18. Great game we're watching right now. Again, I won't be surprised if we'll go the distance. A 5-setter here. Ancheta to Tobino. That's a quick one. Specialty of the house ni Honey
That
Royce.
was such a good set, good timing, good height of the balls. And because they had a good first ball.
Ang maganda rin dito, Chick, correct me if I'm wrong.
There you go.
I noticed that Tobino has been very active in set number 3. So, yung legs, yung power, hindi pa pagod. Ano?
Oo.
So, na-reserva siya eh.
Yes.
Signal. So, that's a point. Again, for Signal. Am I right? Or no? They will allow Honey Royce to serve again. 19-18. HD Spikers on the attack. They say over. And it went over. On the other end, atake ng Signal. They'll try again. Amerman deflection. That's a point for Signal.
Off the block there by Amerman. See, I think medyo na-excitement si Castañeda because si Jaco was still on the floor when she put the ball up towards her.
If it falls between two people, yung nasa may kaliwa, facing the net, sa iyo yun.
Sa iyo yun, oo. Kaya lang, I think what happened there was Jaco thought, hey, you're the libero. You're supposed to get it.
So, naging pagtatalo ng unspoken rule at posisyon.
Yes.
Because of that, that caused a point. And the momentum obviously has shifted now to the HD Spikers. They're up 22-18. And Honey Royce Tobino siya pa rin ang nagsiserve for Signal.
Kahapon pa siya nandyan
Kahapon pa. Signal on the attack. Amerman, soft touch, a donut. In the court of mane and tail.
Okay, here, Jaco was supposed to get that ball, and she said Nebrida was here sa may left side because she was going to cover the hitter.
Okay.
Kaya hindi naka-adjust yung defense nila.
Again, yan yung...
yung mga butas eh.
Oo eh. Masosolve lang yan pag madalas na kayong magkakasama. Quick one here. Abby Praca scoring the 24th point of Signal here in set number 3. So, ang mane and tail, medyo na-challenge po dito. They need a lot of points here in set 3 to salvage this one. Tobino. Mans will go to the twin. The twin will score once more for mane and tail.
That was a good first ball by Jaco, a good set by Mans, and a good hit by the twin. Yun ang sinasabi ni Coach Francis eh. Jaco can receive. She's a good receiver.
In spite of that, that height. Di ba sabi kasi nila, ang mga mahuhusay mag-receive, whether it be service or digs, the shorter ones.
Yes.
It's a special case to.
Oh, that's why liberos are short. Diba?
Amerman, great net defense by mane and tail. Stalzer going to the side of Jaco, and that will be it for set number 3. Signal will take this one to the score of 25-19. They're up 2 sets to 1. Set number 4 right after this break.
That team gets to win the game.
Tingnan natin
so let's see.
If the trend continues.
Right.
Fourth set, Amerman overcooking again. Too much muscle behind that hit. So the first point of set 4 will go to the Lady Stallions. On deck to serve is Rosanne Fajardo for mane and tail. Ancheta. Quick one to Praca.
That's a classic transition play. Good set, good first good receive, and then good set, and then good spike.
Napakabilis. Pag kumurap ka, tapos na yung atake.
Oo nga eh. Huwag ka kukurap.
Wag. Hindi na ako pumipikit. Praca. Nag-serve for Signal. Jaco! That was so quick.
Umiwas si Praca eh.
Napakalakas nun going to zone 5 in between zones 5 and 6.
You know, when I first saw Christy Jekyll in the launch of the PSL Grand Prix,
Yung party.
she was prim and proper. She's so, wala lang. Hindi mo alam, ganito pala pumalo ito.
Pagkampasing ka dyan.
Yeah.
Stalzer giving it back to Jacob. So we are tied at 2.
That was off the arm of Christy Jekyll.
Vivas on deck to serve for the HD Spikers. Again, sa mga kabubukas lang po ng television, kami po yan yung nakaparoon sa Solar Sports. Chicky Reyes po ito with the Chicky Pablo. EJ Gamboa manning the sides para po sa unang laro ng ating PSL Wednesday. EJ, may report ka daw dyan. What do you have?
Yes, guys, you know what? It is such a sight seeing Team Captain Killy Mans working hand in hand with Coach Francis during the huddle. They recognize the fact that they don't do good reception. They also have lapses in communication. So on this part set, they have to work more as a team, keep talking inside the court. More than that, this is not the time for them to experiment. Instead, they must stick to the game plan and stay as aggressive as possible. Guys, back to you.
Thank you, EJ. They're down 1 set. Wag muna tayong mag-eksperimento siguro. Go for the sure thing.
Yeah, so what do? Do you go to the high percentage hitters? Diba? Huwag mag-experiment.
Para makahabol lang dito because once you tie this at 2-all, 5th set would be a quick one. 1-15. And I think in any sport, pag ganyan yung dikdikan na sa dulo, sinong ready mag-respond or gumawa ng mga big plays in the end?
Hindi naman nanalo.
Jekyll of the deflection that gives Maine and Tail its 4th point, tying the 4 of signal.
You know, si Sarah Amerman and Christy Jekyll, they grew up together. They were in volleyball growing up, same team. But they said that, once they're in the court business, walang kaibigan. Good big there by Stalzer.
Tobino. Natanggap ni Mans ng maayos yun. Signal on the attack, Ancheta. Will go to Amerman. Amerman, great dig. Coming from Mans. Oh, Mabaya, that was too soft.
And that really frustrated Mans because that was a hard dig for her to give.
Now, this is one thing also about the reinforcements. I see the body language of Kaylee Mans showing that frustration.
Yes.
But in the culture of Pinoy, minsan ang kinakailangan mo ipakita na in spite of your error.
Go ka pa.
Dito ako sa likod mo. Diba? Let's see yung dynamics sa ito kung paano magpe-play in favor or against the teams here in PSL. Mans to Acuna. So nauna yung talon sa landak.
Ito yung adjustment period, diba? Wala silang adjustment pa. Kasi naman 1.5 weeks ago pa lang sila nag-meet together and jive together. And you can see in Kaylee Mans, yung leadership, niya, she gives instructions in the court. She widens her eyes when she's upset.
But again, going back to that culture thing.
Yeah.
Diba sa atin, sa mga foreigners, if I want to say something,
I'll say it.
It doesn't mean that I'm really grilling you.
Correct.
Take it as it is.
Yes.
Diba? So, we've seen that in other sports na may imports din.
Right.
So, tingnan natin.
Sila kasi parang, huwag ka masasaktan.
No.
This is just trabaho.
May sensitive ang Pinoy. 6-5, signal up by 1. Praka. Chance for Maine and Tail to tie this one. Jekyll does that by going to zone 1 at the corner.
2 straight points na to by Jekyll from the back row.
6-all. Kelsey May Acuna on deck to serve for the Lady Stallions. Muna, they have 8 seconds to actually prepare for that service. Ancheta will go to Amerman. Soft touch to the donut. Pero hindi.
Yeah, it's still alive.
Buhay pa rin. Quick one. Pero yung quick ni Ancheta Praka nabasa ng Maine and Tail.
Hindi kasi pwedeng kunin ni Praka yun because she didn't block it. So, that coverage should have been sa setter.
And I think they knew. Nung papunta pa lang na it was bound to backfire.
The blockers were right there and ready for her.
Maine and Tail lamang na po ng isa. Signal on the attack. Chance for them to tie. Stalzer. Free ball. Ancheta will go to Amerman. Boy pa! Boy pa!
Oh my
Bola.
goodness, what a game!
Ancheta, quick one to Braca. But they'll give the point to Main and Tail. 4 touches for Signal. What a game we're watching. First technical timeout of set number 4. Main and Tail up 8-6. October 25 first match, Main and Tail kontra Petron. Second match po natin, Generica Lifesavers versus RC Cola Air Force Raiders. Saan po yan? Sa Ilocos Sur, Santo Domingo. Kita po tayo dyan. Ha? Sarap dyan, ano?
Oh, sarap dyan.
Oo. Meantime, ito, masarap ang ating larong napapanood sapagkat dikit na dikit ang ating dalawang kupunan. Pero ang Signal lumalayo na rito. 17-14. And earlier, I'd like to correct myself. Yung nakapuntos bago tayo mag-technical timeout was Mervic Mangi.
Mangi.
Yung ano,
Yun ang favorite fruit ko. Mangi.
Mangga naman yun. Mangga naman yun. Ikaw talaga, oo. Here we go. Signal on the attack. Salzer from the back, but it's out.
It was just a little bit wide.
17-15.
Pero kita mo, babawi na naman yan. Galing talaga ng team sport eh, di ba? Naagrabyado ka, sige, bawian natin. Ganun sila eh. Even in basketball, right?
Oh yes, oh yes. Michiko Castañeda.
It's a good serve by Michiko.
Quick one there.
Good save.
Maganda depensa ng Main and Tail, pero mas maganda depensa ni Malaluan. Blocking the hit of Jekyll and Jekyll. Tumingin lang, ngumiti sa kanya at okay, you got me there.
Si Lutgarda Malaluan parang nanalo ng loto doon, eh, no? Ito ba yan? Single blocker.
Mano-imano.
Yeah, ganun siya.
And after that, di lang nakuha sa camera. Tumingin si Jekyll, parang in-acknowledge, okay. That was a good one. Mans. Oh, great hit coming from Fajardo. Good attempt, though, from Jonella to go for that dig.
Yes. It was a good set by Mans.
So, Fajardo ngayon magsiserve. They have this 2-point deficit. Talking about Main and Tail, but within striking distance. Now, if Signal will win this one, tapos na po tayo.
That's why Main and Tail has to catch up.
Fajardo. That's Rosan. Service is good. Ancheta will go to Stalzer. Mans will go to the back.
Good save by Jack Canela.
Stalzer naman. Sa likod din pupunta pero malakas. It's out. And that will give Main and Tail their 17th point. Rosan Fajardo. Siya pa rin magsiserve. Pagkakataon na dito, Jake, Main and Tail tumabla. Tingnan natin. Baka naman lumabang pa dito ang Signal. Jacob. Oh, again! Parang kryptonite niya itong si Malaluan,
Parang happy siya, no? Because that's the second ball coming from Jacob that she blocked.
Parang huli ni Malaluan yung ano 2 in a row na yan.
Yes. Payong.
And again, Jacob giving that smile. That gives Signal another 2-point lead. Malaluan on deck to serve for Signal.
Good reception.
Jacob once more. But Amerman couldn't handle that. Tried to dive for it.
You know, with Christy Jacob's ball, I think even if you're way down on the ground, it's still going to be very, very hard to receive.
Siguro pagpalo may pectus na rin kasi.
Parang ganun eh. Ang technique nga dyan, don't exert any effort, not an inch of an effort. Just let it bounce off your hand.
Parang pader lang. Parang pader lang.
Lang.
1-point lead for Signal. They can go for a 2-point lead. Stalzer, yun ang ginawa niya. Lamang dito ang Signal 2018, set number 4. So, Main and Tail naman dito nakikipagpalitan. But again, if they don't handle this 2-point lead, it's gonna be over very quickly in a few minutes. But Signal still up by 2. Let's try to listen in on Coach Francis.
Number 6, okay? Stalzer. Maybe all the points will go to her. Okay? Maybe all the points will go to her. Okay, why? Why? If you the defense here is very weak. Okay? Because he's now Spike very strong. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys. There's no points.
Nabasa ni Coach Francis that maybe nga all the points, all the attack points will be coming from Stalzer. And he was saying that the defense was weak on this part of the court, no? Their side.
Laban ng center naman, Ancheta Mans. Local kontra reinforcement.
Grabe, 45. Was that a 32?
That's right.
Pero, wow, di ba? You have to hand it to Ancheta.
Pumapalag
32.
Oo, pumapalag. Stalzer, soft touch. Seeing that donut there. 21-18.
You know, Coach Sammy said that the reinforcements in Stalzer and Amerman, they're very good because they listen to him.
Yes.
Whenever he coaches them, they recognize his authority over them and they obey his instructions.
Yan ang importante. For you to be a good player, you have to be a good listener.
Oh, tsaka willing to learn, di ba?
21-19. Jekyll has other things in mind. Ayaw pa niyang matapos sa fourth set. Hailey Mans, the captain, on deck to serve. Here we go. Mans going to Jekyll. Jekyll. Ancheta to Stalzer. Stalzer!
What a transition play by Signal. Good reception by Amerman. Good set by Ancheta. And a good finish by Stalzer.
22-19. Another look here. Chicky P, look at that setup.
The lift, the hit. And she got that hole right there.
Open zone
Yes.
6. Lindsay Stalzer on deck to serve for Signal.
Oh!
Service error, so that point will go to main and tail.
You know, probably it's because she just came from a hit. So to be able to go there and serve, you know, she expelled so much energy already. Kaya nag-net na yung ano eh.
Baka may
yung ball.
fatigue factor na rin, partner. Oh! But Jacob gives the point back.
You know, that's like her third or fourth service error. And what a time to give that up.
Mga kaibigan, unang laro pa lang po ito. Mamaya po, huwag kalilimutan, Photon versus RC Cola. Samahan niyo po, Denise Tan, Tex Suter. And EJ Gamboa pa rin para po at courtside. Let's try to listen in on Coach Francis here.
What I need you to cooperate. One, defense. Okay, helper, defense. Okay, receive, defense. Okay, so we can have a point. And I don't care if that finishes 26-24 as long as we win the set. Okay?
Very important that you have coverage. First ball, defense, reception.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi, diba, even in basketball, the best defense is, the best offense
Is defense.
So,
Because how can you score without that ball?
that's right.
So sabi nga ni Coach Francis, I don't care if it goes 26-24, but I want this set.
Yes. They need this set.
They need this set. Tingnan natin kung ibibigay or magpo-fold up dito ang Signal. They're up by 3. Atake ng main and tail. Jacob.
Wow! What a receive there by Signal.
Oh, great.
But
Great,
good
great.
job by Acuna.
Sa buhay pa dito ang main and tail. They're only down by 2.
Much needed point yon by main and tail.
And si Mea Cunha on deck to serve. It's 21, serving 23. Ball is in. Amerman. Not the best set there. Fajardo gives main and tail their 22nd point.
And main and tail stays alive.
Now this will be interesting. But
Yes.
even before we go back to live play, Coach Sammy, not too happy with that last exchange. Let's try to listen in on Coach Sammy here.
Magpibikwik na lang siya para sundan sa gitna. Ayaw mo na sa harap pumunta dito.
Ball was received by Mans. So who's the utility? She's supposed to get it.
But that was a big gap, big hole there.
If the utility had shouted help, then everybody would have gone and helped.
Yep. So si Mans napailing na lang. How can I get that ball there? Jacob. Boy pa rito ang main and tail. They have 23. Now the thing is, coming from the serve ng Lady Stallions, crucial naman ngayon dito maging atake ng Signal. So tingnan natin. We will try to listen in here on Coach Francis. So trying to get our, here we go. So forget the X's, forget the O's for Coach Francis. It's hugot sa emosyonal lang to.
Oh,
diba?
encouraged. So you can see the reception, diba? Excellent receptions there. It's just 2 points difference.
Signal on the attack. They still have another crack. Amerman, the twin. Mans will tie it at 24.
Mans, who to play as a hitter, hit that ball really well, giving her main and tail the score that they needed.
Later on, ito yung slow-mo. Nakakatuwa because nagsisiksikan sila lahat dyan sa net.
Ayun o, yung pagka-hit niya talagang spiker hit din eh. Yung forma, see?
24 all, partner.
Yes.
Extended set na po tayo itong set number 4.
And that's what Coach Francis was saying, di ba? We can do this. We can go 26-24.
Baka nga magdilang ang hill pa si Coach Francis. Malaman natin, Amerman. She has other things in mind.
Yes.
25-24, Signal up by 1. So Amerman will serve for the HD Spikers. Ito na kaya ang tatapos sa main and tail sa kanilang unang laro for PSL Grand Prix 2014, or will they live for a 5th set? Jacob! Oh!
And that's it.
That's it. That's it. 25